Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can solve problems if something went wrong in the TikTok app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also be sure to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get on with it. And there are times when you go to the TikTok app and you get a message that you're having a problem, or you get a message that something's gone wrong. And the first thing you can do is switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa from Wi-Fi to mobile data. To do this, you will need to swipe from the right side from top to bottom. So you will go to Widgets and here you can switch, for example, turn off Wi-Fi and put only mobile data or vice versa. Or you can just turn on airplane mode, leave it on for a few seconds. Then turn airplane mode off, and then maybe your problem will be solved. Because it often happens that something went wrong because of that bad connection to the internet. If the problem is not solved, then I recommend that you go to the TikTok application. Then on the right-hand side, click on the bottom to go to your profile. Now on the right side at the top, click on the three bars, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit here and select Make Room. Now with everything here underneath loaded, you'll need to hit Clear Cache in the TikTok app by tapping Clear and then Clear again. And after the cache is cleared, I recommend that you log out of the TikTok app and log back in and see if your problem is solved. Because your cache is clogged with unnecessary files, there can be a problem with TikTok. Friends, these are the ways you can try to solve the problem if something went wrong in the TikTok app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.